Greetings and welcome to the lesson. We are going to answer question number 3, August 2022. The subject is meetings, compliance and administration. Question 3A, I read. Discuss 4 ways in which members are supposed to behave whenever the Speaker of the National Assembly is in the Assembly or rises to intervene in a debate. 4 marks. Ways in which members are supposed to behave. Ways in which members are supposed to behave whenever the Speaker of the National Assembly is in the Assembly or rises to intervene in a debate. The first way is respectful attention. 1. Respectful attention. Members should give respectful attention to the Speaker when they are speaking or intervening in a debate, and that includes maintaining silence, refraining from engaging in side conversations, and giving their full attention to the Speaker's remarks. That is one way in which members are supposed to behave. Observe decorum. Observe decorum. Observe decorum. Members should adhere to the decorum of the Assembly when the Speaker is present, and they should conduct themselves in a respectful and orderly manner, refraining from engaging in disruptive behavior or actions that may undermine the dignity of the Assembly. Follow Speaker's directions. Members should follow the Speaker's direction and instructions. They should include, and that may include, requests for order. That may include the time limits for speeches or even procedural guidelines. And compliance with the Speaker's directions helps maintain the smooth functioning of the Assembly. 4. Yield the floor. Yield the floor. If a member is speaking and the Speaker rises to intervene or make a point of order, the member should yield the floor to the Speaker. That demonstrates respect for the Speaker's authority and allows them to exercise their role effectively in maintaining order and enforcing the rules of the Assembly. So these are ways in which members are supposed to behave whenever the Speaker of the National Assembly is in the Assembly or rises to intervene in a debate. Respectful attention. Observe decorum. Follow Speaker's directions. Yield the floor. 4 marks. 4 marks.